Agriculture is a primary economic activity that produces most of the food that we consume. But it also produces raw material for most of the industries like sugarcane and cotton textile. The type of agriculture depends on technical development, physical environment, and socio-cultural practices. In India, there are three types of farmings practiced. First, primitive subsistence farming. Second, intensive subsistence farming. And third, commercial farming. Primitive subsistence farming. This type of farming, where the small patches of land are used for agriculture, they used primitive tools like hoe, dhow, and sticks. Work is done by family members. Agriculture is dependent on monsoon and natural fertility is used for growing crops. Slash and burn agriculture is a type of primitive subsistence farming. In this type of farming, a patch of land is taken, cleared, and used for agriculture for several years. When the soil loses its fertility, that patch is left and some other land is cleared for agriculture. There is no efforts taken for improving the fertility of the land. This type of agriculture is known in different parts of the world by different name. For example, milpa in Mexico and Central America, conuco in Venezuela, roca in Brazil, mazol in Central America, ledang in Indonesia. Intensive subsistence farming. Intensive means very dense. So these are practiced where the population pressure is very high, lands are small, and it is because of right of inheritance in generation. Size of land is divided into small pieces. Because of very high pressure of population, the people use high doses of biochemical inputs. In addition to it, irrigation is used for agriculture. Because it is subsistence type of farming, the output is very low and only sufficient for the self-consumption. Commercial farming एक ऐसी farming जिसमें कि modern input are used for producing high productivity like HIV seeds, chemical fertilizer, insecticides, pesticides. Crops may vary. In some places it may be commercial crop, other places it may be subsistence like rice is commercial in Haryana and Punjab, whereas it is subsistence crop in Odisha. Plantation is a type of commercial agriculture where single crop is grown in large areas, and it is combination of agriculture and industry both because processing is also done in agricultural land. In this type of agriculture, machines and migrant labor October to December and harvested in April to May. It requires 50 to 75 centimeter of annual rainfall. There are two important growing zones in India, Ganga-Satluj Plain and black soil region of Deccan Plateau. It is grown in Punjab, Haryana, plains of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Jowar, Bajra, Ragi are the important millets grown in India. They have high nutritional value. For example, Ragi is very rich in iron, calcium and roughage. Jowar is third most important food crop and Maharashtra is the largest producer of jowar. Bajra. Bajra grows well in sandy soil and shallow black soil. Rajasthan is the largest producer of bajra. Ragi is a crop of dry region and it grows well in red, black and sandy loamy soil. Karnataka is largest producer of ragi in India. Maize is grown as food and fodder crop. It is a kharif crop and requires 21 degree to 27 degrees Celsius of temperature. It is best grown in old alluvial soil. With the help of HYV seeds, fertilizer and irrigation, its production is continuously increasing. The major maize producing states are Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. India is largest producer as well as consumer of pulses in the world. It is source of protein. Urad, moong, masoor are main example of pulses. It can grow in less moisture condition and in addition to it, it is grown as leguminous crop. It is used for restoring soil fertility by nitrogen fixing. These crops are mostly grown in rotation with other crops. The leading producer of pulses are Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka. India is second largest producer of sugarcane after Brazil. It is subtropical and tropical crop. It requires 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius of temperature and rainfall should be 75 to 100 centimeter. Sugarcane is main source of sugar, khandsari and molasses. The important sugar producing areas are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab and Haryana. Tea plantation was introduced in India by British people. But now most of the tea plantation are owned by Indian government. Tea plants grow in tropical and subtropical climate. Well-drained soil that contain organic matter and humus is suitable for it. Tea bushes require warm climate and rainfall should be evenly distributed throughout the year for the growth of tender leaves. Skilled labor are used for plucking tea leaves. Major tea producing areas Assam, Darjeeling, Jalpaiguri, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Meghalaya and Andhra Pradesh are also tea producing states. India produces about 4% of total world production of coffee. Arabica variety of coffee is produced in India and it has great demand throughout the world. In India, coffee is cultivated near Nilgiri hills of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. India is a large producer of fruits and vegetables in the world and it produces tropical as well as temperate fruits. Mangoes are found in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Similarly, oranges are grown in Nagpur, Cherrapunji. Bananas are grown in Kerala, Mizoram, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Lychee and guava is grown in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Pineapple is grown in Meghalaya. Grapes are grown in Andhra Pradesh. And apple are grown in Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. In addition to these fruits, vegetables are also grown like pea, cauliflower, onion, carrot. Rubber plantation is done in tropical and subtropical region. It needs humid climate and rainfall should be more than 200 centimeter, whereas temperature should be above 25 degrees Celsius. Rubber plants are tapped about 2.5 feet above from the ground and latex is extracted. That latex is used for making rubber sheets. India ranks 5th position in rubber production. The main growing region are Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Nicobar Island, Garo Hills, etc. Cotton is a fiber crop. It is of two types, long staple cotton and short staple cotton. Cotton is a raw material for textile industry and India is third largest producer of cotton. In India, it is grown in black cotton soil of Deccan Plateau. The climatic condition is high temperature, light rainfall or irrigation. At least 210 frost-free days with bright sun are required for the growth. It is a kharif crop that needs about 6 to 8 months to be mature. In India, it is grown in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Jute is also known as golden fiber. It is grown in well-drained, fertile soil region. High temperature is required for the growth. It is grown in West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Orissa, Meghalaya. It is used for making gunny bags, mat, rope, yarn, carpet. It is getting stiff competition from synthetic fiber like nylon.